run with the crap. You got one? First cast, boys, and he's already got one. Yeah, that's a big old goggle, huh? Is that on my bait?
You on that brand new one?
Yeah, good goggle, huh? Well. You finally got him. Oh, is that? That's a big old smallmouth, ain't it?
No, that's large. That sucker probably run it 5 foot or 10.
My camera is on, ain't it?
Yeah.
All right.
That thing 5 foot for you. Got over there.
That's a good largie right there.
Probably a pound, a quarter.
Crap, yeah. The good largemouth. Oh, he's going in the bucket, is he?
He's gonna be dinner tonight. That's what I come.